Hello, my name is Sam Honick, and this is a pop art poster called Headphones Monkey by Steez. It's a flat space image with minimal depth cube. Seeing as how the chimp is the only point of focus, there's nothing really to compare it to in order to create the depth cube or depth perception. It's a high contrast image with a strong edge created by line motif of the black fur in relation to the yellow background and the white face of the chimp. Extreme tones make up the chimp itself, with absolute black of the fur, the headphones, and the facial features, in contrast with the absolute white of the face and the hand, as well as the yellow of the background. The chimp contrasts with the background, which is a deep yellow-orange hue. Also, you can see right here around the headphones and even the reflection in the eyes that reflective light produces a sort of incandescence, giving an impression that it's a 3D object in the image. The deep lines of the wrinkles force the viewer's eyes to travel to and from the eyes and into the black of the fur, leading into like a darkness from the white face. Also, it leads to the hands and down. So it's a movement really throughout the map of his face. So this is the image that I chose, and I hope you enjoy.